Hello friends. I will tell you something interesting about YouSEO. You know how many videos uploaded daily on YouTube?
What?
20 to 26 million videos. But few went viral. Why? Before I thought only few creators' video get viral. Why not me? It's not possible. That I started searching problems. And I realized that I was shocked. I was making 4 mistakes. Wrong title, wrong description, wrong tags, wrong thumbnail. I also did that over the last 6 months. I will show you my videos and channel data. 0 views, low retention, 0 subscribers, poor engaging. In my point of view, I am doing all right, but where's problem? Then I realize it is not going right.
No.
I am writing title, descriptions, tags and thumbnails. But I am doing all wrong. Then I got to know about YouSEO. YouSEO means YouTube Search Engines Optimization. It analyzes your video's titles, descriptions, tags and thumbnail. YouSEO suggests you write title, description, tags and thumbnails. Now I will teach you how to use YouSEO. I will show you practically right now. YouSEO app looks like this. You can download it. I will provide its link in description. Now it is having lots of features like keywords generator, title generator, SEO analysis, thumbnail makers, etc. I show you how to SEO analysis your videos. You can copy video link and paste it into SEO analysis. It checks video titles, description, hashtags, and tags. Then you generate all set above and apply on video. After that you can check again video SEO analysis. You can also analysis videos after uploading and correct if required. It should be 100%. Without SEO analysis it looks like this. This graph shows without SEO, basic SEO, and with SEO data. My videos get viral and channel tends to trending. I will show you some data. Viral videos.
Wow!
Before and after SEO. If you want to grow on YouTube, you should go with YouSEO. Thank you.